Today we're doing a mini haul from Cultivate What Matters, Lara Casey's Powersheets company. Now, I did really want to do an unboxing of the mid-year Powersheets, but those sold out in like a hot second, and the 2019 Powersheets are not coming out until October 24th. I don't know if that means they're available to order then, or that's when they actually physically are available. So it's going to be a while until we see a Powersheets planner. So I did want to check out a couple other things that she had. She has a goal setting sticker book, which I'm super excited about because it's actually an entire book of stickers versus a couple of sheets, and it feels pretty thick. And I have Write the Word, which is sort of a journal faith planner. I think it's always great to do a planner with a purpose. And we have a little mini booklet for couples and another mini little booklet for fruitful friendships. So let's check these out and see what's inside. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings like today on Saturdays. This entire haul cost me $73.77. It was $7.77 for shipping, and it did arrive pretty quickly. And each of these were, I think this was $12. The couple book was $12. The friendship book was $20, and the journal for faith journaling was $22. So let's open them up and check what's inside. Now this order did arrive in a standard box. There was nothing special like you see with some of the other branded boxing. It did have some bubble wrap to make sure it didn't move around. And let's check it out. So let's check out the first one, which is the couples guide. And as you see, it's really, really thin. It's just held together by a couple staples. And over here, I think this is kind of cute. I don't know if that's an error or something, but these little leaves kind of just pop out like that. Now over here, you have a little thing about the oak tree. I have no idea what that means. You have some copyright information over here. It's not that legible, but really not that important. Why set goals as a couple? And then she has a cute little family picture and tells you how to use this with your Powersheets. Unfortunately, Powersheets are sold out, so I probably won't be doing that. And then over here, you get to do a little section all about us and how we met. So it's one of those cute little books that you see in the store, the about us, about me, or whatever, that you can kind of fill out about yourself, and why we love each other, what matters to us, ways we want to grow, what's growing well. And then here at the bottom, she actually has your Powersheets, and she goes to specific sections and pages. So I don't know if her Powersheets are the exact same each year, but I think it was probably meant for the year that this was published, which was 2017 to 2018. Now here in the center, it says this is our fresh start, and it has the love languages, which I love, the 5 languages of love. And then over here, ways that blah, blah, blah can make me feel loved. And you can give examples, helping each other grow what matters, helping hands, an outline of each of your hands, one on top of the other. That's kind of cute. Cultivating adventure and rest, adventures we want to have together. I love this. I don't want to call this a bucket list, so I like that it's called an adventure list. Ways we can cultivate the rest, my wishes for you, our goals as a couple, things we want to do or make progress on together. And then again, she's referenced some Powersheets. And then you get, it looks like you get 3 different sections that are exactly the same. And then our word for the year, this is great, a little theme word for couples. And then I skipped one little thing. Our goal getting date together is, and so that must be when you want to fill this out again the next time. And then over here, you just have the same thing that you had in the beginning, these same colors and the stripes, and that's the end. So this was pretty quick. I really liked it. Now we're going to check out Fruitful Friendships, and this was $20 versus this was $12, and I think it's because this has matte pages in it and it's much smaller versus this is bound and it has magazines glossy pages inside because she uses a lot of pictures. So it's a goal guide for fruitful friendships, cultivate intentional relationships. I don't think it's like the couple guide where you do it together. I think it's just to help you determine the kind of friends that you want in your life, which I love because I'm all about quality over quantity. I'd rather have very close friends than like a huge entourage. Name and email, and again, I think this is an excellent idea. She's tied this into the larger planner, which is the Powersheets. She has a nice little note, picture with her and some of her friends. Write about who you are. So this is great. It helps you determine the kind of person that you are. Where I'm happy when I'm happy, I like to, whatever. When I'm sad, I like to. How I approach conflict. I love being around people who, qualities I love about my friends. How I like to show my friends I love them. Values I live my life by. Another picture with a quote. Reflect on past friendships. Over here, another 2-page picture with a quote. And over here, find good friendship threads and write a letter to a friend. Make a statement. I love people who my past friendships have taught me. I'm starting fresh and letting go of. I value friends who and who value. Discover your love languages. Now that was interesting. This is, I think, the exact same thing from the couple book on love languages, if I'm correct. It is. Same exact thing. And then practice love languages. So this actually has a lot more examples than the couple book did, so I like that. I'm very grateful for, that's just kind of cute. I don't think this has anything to do with berries or strawberries. Consider an act of kindness. So she has some different examples here, which I imagine is from her friends. And over here, embrace awkward, get excited, get out there. Again, I love this magazine layout. So this looks a little bit more like a guide versus a journal or sort of workbook sort of thing. Plant conversation seeds. Make time for friendships. You know, how much time are you spending watching TV per day? That is true. Although my friends and I like to text about TV shows that we're watching, like they're real people. I don't know if that's normal. Make time for friendships, and then tend to others little by little. We have monthly things you can do with your friends, what you should do weekly with your friends, daily. Again, this is a good place for this because in theory you've sort of narrowed down your list of people that you really want to hang out with and, you know, compliment you as a person. Create traditions. I love that. I think this is a great idea. Start a book club, host a holiday party, throw favorite things party. My friends and I love doing girls' night, movie night, where we watch cheesy romance movies. Tonight we're coming over for a cheesy Hallmark mysteries movie. Friendship tending list. A friend I want to tend to, ideas to tend to them. A friend I want to tend to, so sort of repeats. Remember close friends. Uncover good friendship goals, which is interesting. I guess I don't really have friendship goals. Let's see. Start small, especially if friendship is an area you've struggled with in the past. Keep your goals manageable and bite-sized as you get started. Work with your personality instead of trying to change it. Good idea. I like cheesy TV shows versus maybe going hiking or something else. Keep the vision in mind. Goals for friendship. And over here, cultivate what matters together. Fruitful friendship resources. So this is interesting. So these are just different areas you can go to kind of send your friends little, I guess, nice things or cards. A section here for notes and just a magazine page and the same exact thing that we had here in the beginning. And that's it. Okay, so your sticker book comes wrapped in plastic to protect your book and make sure it arrives as beautifully as it can. So take action on what matters in your everyday. And these pages are hard to push down. So a little information about your stickers, a color code your heart out. So these are actually stickers over here. I like this. I don't know if I know you guys can't tell, but these are really thick stickers. So they aren't thin and flimsy. So obviously each page is a set of stickers. I love these. These are tiny little dots. I don't know if you can see this. Obviously you would have to love the colors for Powersheets. So hopefully you have a Powersheets planner, which I do not, because as I said, they sold out. And oh, we have 3 pages of the color coding dots. And then over here, mark it to make it happen. So cute little sort of icons here, bills due, reminders. So kind of your standard things that you see inside a planner. Set yourself up for success. This must have to do with the Powersheets planner that I don't have. which I will hopefully have this weekend. Date night. I like how there's 2 sets of date nights. Due dates. I mean, what if you're single? And then over here we have some stars. We have adventure. So she's kind of broken up the word so it fits in that tiny little box. Day off, rest, refreshments. We have movie nights, play dates, coffee dates, social media free weekend. That's nice. Put the phone down. That's kind of funny. Family time. Keep track. So we get our first set of gold foil stickers inside here, if you can see that. And we have check marks, we have canceled, we have little arrows. Prioritize it. Grateful for this. Same thing again. Prioritize wellness. Tend it to grow it. So it says I made progress. That's the same thing all throughout, just has different colors. Little flower pot. And I'm not sure what that is. Sunshine. Cultivate contentment. So we got some more gold foils. This matters. Little hearts. Little quote bubbles. Little roses. Get motivated. Amazing. Dive in. Make a mess. This is the best. So again, some more gold foils. And I love that all of these stickers are colored. We got some icons here. We have some little kitty stickers, family stickers, some more little family stickers. I think those are family, like they look like little kid hands, but maybe it just means like applause. Books, coffee, and camera, and email, little animal paws. Those are cute. Smiley faces. Now, if this was my sticker book, like personally, I would need like 3 pages for the book and for the coffee and the cameras, but celebrate every tiny victory. So little hooray things, obviously probably a birthday cake, anniversaries. Celebrate the season you're in. And this has different things over here for the holidays. And Hanukkah, and that's the end. So I love that this is a book. I think that's very useful and that it's not spiral bound, so that is really great. Let's check out the Write the Word Daily Journal. Now this is a Bible journal and it did come in plastic, and it looks like it has another little branding band around it. So, oh yeah, these just kind of sit inside. This is, I know you can't see this, it's saddle stitched over here on the outside, just kind of to make it pretty, I think, and it feels nice and smooth. You have some gold foiling on the back and a little gold foil here, which is their little logo, which is those 2 little leaves. And it says, your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path, Psalm 119, 105. And we have some more gold foiling inside. She has a little letter here. Today is I'm grateful for in Ecclesiastes, and I honestly am not sure. It does say use these pages however you like, so it's pretty open on how you want to use these. Use a good Bible translation like the New International Version. Gather context and meaning, get creative, write what you're grateful for. So I think this is, in fact, I don't have to say I think, I know this is a rinse and repeat. So Ecclesiastes 3:11 through 3:13, Psalm 27, 4 through 6. So it looks like she's picked out different areas of the Bible, which is kind of fun. You can then go to your Bible and check and see what that particular passage was about and kind of your thoughts on it. And I like how she just says, you know, use it however you want. You get this pretty, I don't know if you can see that. So was this haul worth it? For sure. I think everything in here was really high quality, and it did make me super sad that the Powersheets are out of stock. So just remember October 24th is their date, I think, when they go on sale again for the 2019 ones. I will be marking that in my calendar so I don't forget that. And for sure it made me want to have one, and I love the sticker sheet. I can't even believe it was only $12. And I do like this little journal, and I love that there was gold foiling all throughout it, and it's just kind of open and there was tons of space for writing and sharing my thoughts. So leave a comment below and let me know if you thought all of the things in here were worth it, if you have a Powersheets planner book, and if you think that these were good compliments to it. All right, I hope everyone's having a fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.